You gonna try to get me? You gonna try to get me? Bella. Get your bone. Where'd you go, Bella? Kronos. You better get away from that. Mom's gonna be upset with you. Oh no. Oh no. Not the shoe. Kronos? Not the shoe. Kronos. Not the shoe. Kronos. 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 I don't think it's a good idea. What's your sister doing? I don't trust her.
She's eating the leaf.
No. No eating leaves. Where are you? No eating leaves. Does she have it in her mouth? No, she doesn't. Okay. God. I was worried.
No.
What's he doing now? Tell him no fighting.
No fighting. No fighting.
What's Bella doing? Bella! Bella! Bella Persephone!
No fight.
No fighting. Be sweet to each other. No. Get her, help her, fast.
No, don't eat the leaf. Don't eat the leaf. Stephanie. Bella, come here. Don't eat the leaf.
Kronos. What you doing, buddy?
No. Okay,
I know. Clumsy puppy. What are y'all doing?
Hey, Bella, no.
Bella, no. Get her, Lexi.
Bella. Bella.
Don't, Harry, they're thirsty. Don't let her drink that water. Pick her up fast.
No.
Give him a bowl of water outside.
Okay. No.
Where's your brother?
What do you have? He has a sock!
He does? Where is he?
Come here. Give me a sock. No, you go right there. Stop it.
He has the sock again. He's making a run for it.
Where's your bowls? Oh, sorry.
Put him outside to drink water.
Okay. Hi. I have one. We're gonna go outside.
Open the door, they'll go outside. Kronos! 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 Hi, buddy. Kronos. Kronos!
What are you eating? No.
A sock again.
No. Hey.
Puppy cam.
Bella.
This is a puppy cam.
Bella. Bella. Kronos, no. Can't do anything about it because I'm doing the water. Kronos. Come here and do the sock. No. No. No, you want water. We're going to go outside, okay? We're going to take another trip. We're going to take another trip. Okay? Kronos.
Woof! Woof! I
Kronos.
think he saw me. He started barking. Here he goes. That's all, folks.